Hi everyone, my name is Pradol and welcome back to my channel and welcome to Italy. I hope you guys have already seen the Switzerland vlog. We've come here from Switzerland and we are going to be here in Italy for the next 8 days. We're going to be exploring a lot of different cities and I'm going to be taking you guys along, of course. I feel like even before we move ahead, I want to show you guys the Airbnb that we are staying in. I am in Florence right now and our Airbnb is so cute and also the location is amazing. So let me quickly show you what it looks like. Welcome to our Airbnb. This is the first thing that you see when you enter. So to the left, we have this very cute corner wherein you can hang your coats, keep your shoes. I think it's very, very cute and it has a lot of character. Here we have the kitchen. So this is what the kitchen looks like. It's a fully functional kitchen. That's not it to the kitchen. They also have a cute balcony, not balcony, but like a seating area of sorts. Okay, so right next to the main door is this hallway which has an arch which is beautiful. So wo hai bathroom aur ye hai bedroom. And then here we have our washroom. This washroom is so aesthetic. It looks beautiful. Oh, and the highlight, we have the pot of course, but then we also have a bidet. This is a very common thing in Europe. You're supposed to poop there and then clean yourself here. There's no jet spray system. So aise chalta hai ye. And that was the mini Airbnb tour. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go eat some pasta. Obviously, that has to be the first order of business. And also, we are losing out on time. What I mean is that it's 7 o'clock in the evening right now because traveling में पूरा दिन निकल गया. So आज कुछ ज़्यादा हम कर नहीं सकते other than eat great food. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Okay, so this is location number 1 that I really wanted to go to. It has amazing reviews. So many people have recommended it. But the line is so long. So instead we're just gonna walk around because it's 7, so sab lights on ho gaye, bahut hi pretty lag raha hai. We're gonna walk around, try to find a new restaurant and have some gelato as well. Good morning and welcome to day 2. So आज हमारे outfits बहुत confused है because during the day it's supposed to be hot but right now it's so cold. Thank God I carried a jacket. Are you okay without a jacket? Fine. Because it goes from 17 degrees to directly 22 से start होता है. So there's no in between. Anyway, let's tell them what we're doing today. So today हम जल्दी सुबह उठे. I think it's not even 7:30 right now.
Yeah. We woke up at 6 क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पे पहुँचना था by 7:30 and it's a tram ride away. 30 minutes का tram ride है. So today we are going to go on a day trip to Pisa and Siena.
Yes.
With wine tasting and lunch.
Yes. So we've again booked this through Get Your Guide. हमने पूरा हमारा यूरोप टूर उसके थ्रू ही किया है because they have some really cool experiences and like basic ones also. Like tomorrow we're going to be doing like the basic tours जो मतलब एकदम टूरिस्टी चीज है जो करनी ही है. Museums जो आदित्य को बहुत इंटरेस्ट है करने में.
Art gallery, museum.
Yeah, so we're going to do all of that tomorrow, but let's focus on today. Yeah, now let's go meet at our meeting point and get started with our day. Today we're going to see one of the wonders of the world. Let's go. We have boarded our bus and we're off to Pisa. So that's our first wonder of the world, seeing together. It's actually really funny seeing people posing and doing really weird fun stuff. Here is the Leaning Tower right here. Now I think we're gonna go grab some gelato because kal reh gaya tha. So let's go do that. I've already tried it. Please try it. आदित्य को by the way बहुत ही ज़्यादा सर्दी है.
तो मेरे मॉम डैड ने देखने चाहिए ये पार्ट. It's nice.
It's so good.
Proper pista.
So they have quite a setup ready for us. It's really cool. कैसा था वाइन टेस्टिंग एक्सपीरियंस?
बहुत क्लास था,
बहुत अच्छा था. इट रियली वेंट सो वेल. हमने ऑलरेडी एक बार ऑब्वियसली किया है सूला में, बट ये वाला उसका भी बाप था ऑब्वियसली. मतलब बहुत अच्छा था. हमें बहुत सारे टाइप्स ऑफ वाइन टेस्ट करने मिली. दे ऑल्सो मेरा टेस्ट बल्सामिक विनेगर, ऑलिव ऑयल,
अलग टाइप का चीज.
पास्ता भी खाया हमने. बहुत पास्ता दबाया. बहुत मजा आया. सो वी अराइव्ड टू द सिटी ऑफ सिएना एंड देयर इज अ चर्च राइट बिहाइंड अस. अंदर फोटोग्राफी वीडियोग्राफी अलाउड नहीं है, तो मैं थोड़े से फोटोज पॉप अप कर दूंगी. काफी प्रिटी चर्च है. अब एक्चुअली वी नॉट श्योर अभी क्या होने वाला है एग्जैक्टली. वी जस्ट गोना वेट फॉर आवर टूर गाइड टू टेल अस, बट इट्स अ वेरी वेरी प्रिटी सिटी. वी जस्ट गोना वॉक अराउंड, टेक इट ऑल इन.
Hi guys, so Maddie asked me to surprise her with a gelato flavor. Here she is. I've got a vanilla and mango. ये ले.
कितना टाइम लग गया?
पूरा दूसरे साइड पे जाना पड़ा.
There's mango.
And
I'll have to taste. Panna cotta?
No. Your favorite?
Creme brulee?
Vanilla.
Oh, nice. सो जस्ट लाइक स्विट्जरलैंड यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे वाटर फाउंटेन्स है. उतने नहीं है लेकिन नंबर्स एटलीस्ट हमें नहीं मिले, बट हमें जस्ट एक मिला. तो हमने हमारा पानी का बॉटल भर लिया. यहाँ पे पानी काफ़ी महंगा है, लाइक 200-300 रुपये का एक बॉटल छोटा सा. तो हम बॉटल्स कैरी कर रहे हैं और हम बॉटल्स भर लेते हैं यहाँ पे जहाँ भी हमें वाटर फाउंटेन मिलता है. यहाँ का पानी का क्वालिटी इज़ रियली गुड, सो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट लाइक ड्रिंकिंग फ्रॉम द फाउंटेन और द टैप. यू कैन इवन फिल इट फ्रॉम द टैप एज आई मेंशन्ड. नेक्स्ट अप वी आर हियर टू ट्राई आउट द वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट gelato. Apparently that's what even Google says, and that's what our tour guide also said. So let's try it out. The final verdict is that it's good, like the flavors are unique, but I mean if you weren't to have it, it's not like you're missing out on something. Line इतनी लंबी है इसके लिए. Maybe we got the wrong flavor, could be that. But Aditya, yeah,
did win the best ice cream award.
Yeah, this
Doesn't
one did.
seem like
it tastes like kesar doodh.
Yeah.
Mine literally tastes like white wine. I could probably get drunk if I have the whole thing, I feel. But the place where the gelato place is, it's so pretty. बताओ क्या हुआ अभी हमारे साथ?
मेरे साथ स्कैम हुआ गाइस. सुसु करने के 100 रुपए भरने पड़े.
सो बेसिकली द थिंग इन इटली इसकी यहाँ पे बहुत सारे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पब्लिक वॉशरूम्स नहीं है एटलीस्ट हमारे ऑब्जर्वेशन में, और जो है भी उसमें भी पे करके जाना पड़ता है. सो अ टिप दैट यू कैन प्रॉब्ली डू इज यू कैन गो टू अ बार मतलब अ कैफे. यहाँ पे कैफे को बार बोलते हैं. सो यू कैन हैव अ कॉफी 1-2 यूरो में आ जाएगा एंड देन यूज द वॉशरूम. बट राइट नाउ वी जस्ट डिडंट वांट टू ईट और ड्रिंक anything, so we decided to use the washroom, the public washroom, and 1 euro डालना पड़ता है उसमें, and it's honestly it smells bad. It was not that clean, so I'm a little disappointed in that angle because Switzerland में the washrooms were so clean, you didn't have to pay money, everything was amazing. So yeah, just remember that when you come here. But I think beauty पे focus करते हैं. क्या सुंदर है ये सब. Check this out as well. So I'm gonna stop being annoying about the scenery and I'm gonna show you all the little boutique stores that are around this place. बहुत cute सामान है ये. Might buy a few things for my mom and me. This is the first shop that we entered and I love this olive oil thing. But ये ले जाना बहुत difficult होगा. But यहाँ के कांच के items are adorable. I think I'm gonna get this one. It's just so cute. That was store number 1. Dude, what is this shop? इसमें से कुछ भी हम लेके नहीं जा पाएंगे क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा है सब कुछ. But imagine having this in your house.
Guys, Maddie has found her heaven.
Dude, like इतने सारे plates, cups. It's so cool. And we are back to our area, if you will. हमारे Airbnb के एरिया में हम पहुंच गए and now we're just finding a restaurant to have some dinner in. To be very honest, I am so tempted to have some दाल मखनी, दाल तड़का जो हम लेके आए घर से.
Second day in Italy, huh? Second day.
If I'm able to find this authentic soup, I'm okay with eating that because I just want to eat something that's like comforting, comfort food type खाना. और आदित्य को पिज़्ज़ा खाना है. I don't think it's going to be difficult to find it. Let's go. So that's my POV. We're gonna go check out this restaurant right here. मिल गई हमें दोनों चीजें, पिज़्ज़ा भी और सूप भी.
Exact Airbnb के सामने.
और सामने मतलब कितना 10 कदम भी मुश्किल से. So basically मैं ये पी रही हूँ. ये फ्लोरेंस का एकदम ही ऑथेंटिक और लोकल सूप है and it's vegetarian. And Aditya is having the vegetarian pasta, pizza sorry.
मुझे वेज खाना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि इनके यहाँ पे बेसिक सॉसेज मतलब पोर्क या तो बीफ. There's no chicken उनका option.
And Aditya is not a big fan of pork. Beef तो हम खाते ही नहीं है.
Scam.
Hello guys, today is museum day. So Aditya loves museums. So I've given the entire day to him. He does everything that I want to. So obviously I have to do the same thing. I'm not a big fan of museums and I'm just not very well versed with history also, if I'm going to be honest. But it's okay. I'm open to learning and also like doing stuff that he wants to do. Sham ko we have a very interesting activity जो हम दोनों के choice की है. But आज पूरा दिन हम museums करने वाले. So basically आदित्य ने Get Your Guide से again पूरे दिन के जितने भी उसको slots या जो भी थे वो book कर लिए उसने, so that we don't have to stand in lines. पीछे I feel like if you can see the lines are crazy. तो ये आपको directly skip the line मिल जाता है. Links मैं नीचे छोड़ दूँगी in case you guys are interested. Just got done with the gallery and Aditya did not speak to me for a minute, for a second. But कैसा था?
बहुत अच्छा था. Take the guided tour. I'll insert the link in the description. जो Get Your Guide का है बहुत अच्छा है. They explain everything perfectly
and very simply also.
Yeah, so definitely worth it. And Michelangelo's David, too good. You cannot miss it when you're in it.
I think even if you're not well versed with like the history and the backstory and all of that, it's still really great because हमारी guide Rosanna, she was amazing. She explained everything so simply. So definitely recommend. Even I actually didn't get bored. I enjoyed it thoroughly and I'm glad that Aditya actually made the decision for us to go. Where are we going next now?
So next we're going to the Uffizi Gallery, which houses a lot of paintings from the Renaissance era. That's very good.
In the meanwhile, we have ordered something to eat because we haven't had breakfast, so we're gonna have brunch sort of.
Kind of brunch.
So here we have some bruschetta, a salad, and then bread. तो ये लोग देते हैं हर चीज के साथ. Oh, and an Aperol spritz. First Aperol spritz in Italy. कैसा है? आदित्य को नहीं अच्छा लगा उतना.
बहुत कड़वा लगा. थोड़ा मिक्स के तो भी okay.
It's strong. That's the thing. So यहाँ पे common practice है olive oil में salt और pepper में ब्रेड को डिप करके खाने का, एंड इट ट्रूली टेस्ट अमेजिंग. मुझे एक और चीज़ बोलना था दैट प्लीज़ बी अवेयर ऑफ योर बिलोंगिंग्स, ऑफ योर बैग. काफ़ी थेफ्ट का सीन है यहाँ पे, काफ़ी स्कैम्स होते हैं. आदित्य ने, आई नीड टू शो यू गाइज व्हाट आदित्य हैज डन. He's literally put a lock on his bag. I wouldn't blame him, to be very honest. मैं से मेरा बैग एकदम आगे लेके चलती हूँ, जिप बंद करके, हाथ रख के उस पे. मैंने भी वैसे किया था मुंबई लोकल स्टाइल में, बट फिर मुझे बोली कि नहीं पीछे डाल दो. हाथ आगे बैग लेके चला था, बहुत फनी लग रहा है. मुंबई लोकल सीन्स ब्रो. बट ठीक है, उसने लॉक डाल दिया तो यू आर सेफ इन दैट मैनर. अब हम जाएंगे गैलरी नंबर 2. यहाँ पे हमारा कोई टूर गाइड नहीं है, बट आई थिंक ऑडियो गाइड वी कुड मे बी बाय. आई हैव अ फीलिंग
ले सकते हैं.
इफ होगा तो आई थिंक लेट्स बाय इट, वरना कुछ समझ में आता नहीं ऑनेस्टली. Of course you can read everything, but I feel like audio guide is a lot more helpful. Time for lunch and of course I'm having some pasta. आदित्य ने कुछ अलग मंगाया इस बार.
Pollo frito focaccia.
Yep, and of course साथ में lots of bread. Following that up with some gelato, of course. This is my favorite flavor, pistachio.
Hi guys, so we are waiting in line to get into the dome. While Mary has got some gelato.
I showed them.
Yes, you showed. So basically एक टिप याद रखो कि gelato कभी भी अगर लोगे तो सबसे छोटा वाला साइज लेना, बिकॉज ये लोग उसको डबल से ट्रिपल लेवल तक भर के दे देते हैं. एंड छोटा वाला साइज़ में मोर देन इनफ हो जाता है. सो फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने वो ऑर्डर चेक कर लो सबसे छोटा साइज़. अगर आपको और बड़ा चाहिए तो ऑब्वियसली जाओ, बट आई वुड सजेस्ट हमेशा सबसे छोटा साइज़ काफ़ी पड़ जाता है. हमें अभी ये भी ज़्यादा हो गया. बहुत ही ज़्यादा सीढ़ी चढ़ने के बाद
अभी भी कंप्लीट नहीं हुई सीढ़ियाँ,
बट ऑलरेडी पब्लिक की हालत टाइट हो चुकी है. Spiral.
Which is not ending. Spiral is not ending. This is so claustrophobic. It's not ending. But I will say it's worth the
Climb. Yeah.
Show them what it looks like.
It's very pretty.
And that's what you see from the top. Sorry, glass थोड़ा सा गंदा है इनका. And then we have more stairs. Was it worth the hike?
I think so, yes. Almost 150 steps तो चढ़े रहेंगे आराम से. इसमें सबकी हालत टाइट हो गई यहाँ पे. I would also agree it's very beautiful, but अगर आपको हार्ट का प्रॉब्लम है, अगर आपको ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम है, अगर आपको क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिया है, if you are older, I feel like if my parents were also here, I would not recommend them coming for sure. बहुत नीचे प्रेशर आएगा. बहुत it's very steep. But let me show you the view. This is what I'm looking at, overlooking the city of Florence. So after all the मेहनत and hard work हम आए हैं एक पास्ता मेकिंग क्लास में in Italy. पास्ता बनाना हम सीखने वाले. It's a big group. I think you can hear that. But yeah, I'll tell you guys how it was. Of course, once we're done. We're just about to begin right now. Let's get started. Good morning, it's time to say goodbye to Florence and we're headed off to Naples. We've managed to drag all of our luggage walking to the station and we've booked our train through this app which is called Trainline. And oh, what a coincidence, our train is here. Lovely. We're going to Naples. Okay, so this is what the train is looking like from the inside. Kafi spacious hai ye train. Time to dig in. ऑल्सो ये ट्रेन में खाना भी देते हैं. खाना मतलब लाइक स्नैक्स एंड ड्रिंक्स, बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है. दिस इज व्हाट वी गॉट. गए हम नेपल्स एंड ये हमारा फर्स्ट टैक्सी कैब राइड है इन द होल ऑफ यूरोप, क्योंकि हमारा होटल थोड़ा सा एयरबीएनबी थोड़ा सा दूर है. सो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है टू ड्रैग द लगेज अराउंड. सो मीटर से चल रहा है, देखते हैं कितना होगा. थोड़ा सा महंगा ही होने वाला मुझे लग रहा है. अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 700 रुपये हुए हमारे. ओके, नॉट बैड. क्या लग रहा है देखो, कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं अपन?
I have no idea.
जीरो आइडिया।
Zero idea.
गेस तो कर।
पता नहीं, कोई ब्यूटीफुल व्यू वाली जगह पे जहाँ डिनर करेंगे आई गेस।
ओके, और कुछ है वहाँ पे उसके अलावा?
नहीं,
बस ना उतना ही है ना। दिस इज द व्यू एट नाइट।
मॉर्निंग्स आफ्टर यस्टरडेज रिलैक्सिंग डे, आज का दिन थोड़ा सा हेक्टिक चल रहा है. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू द सिटी ऑफ पॉम्पे. वी बुक्ड अ टूर बट वी रियलाइज दैट द लोकेशन, द मीटिंग लोकेशन इज क्वाइट फार फ्रॉम वेयर वी आर स्टेइंग. सो वी बुक द ट्रेन. नाउ वी कम टू फाइंड आउट कि ट्रेन का प्रिंट आउट चाहिए हमें, लाइक टिकट का प्रिंट आउट चाहिए, फोन में नहीं चलेगा. तो वी जस्ट रनिंग अराउंड एवरीवेयर. ये पीछे जो स्टोर है यहाँ पे हमें प्रिंट आउट मिला है बट उन्होंने हमें हाफ प्रिंट आउट करके दिया. तो अभी आज तक फिर से गया है प्रिंट आउट. एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट आई डोंट नो इफ वी कैन बी एबल टू मेक इट टू आवर ट्रेन. वी आर रनिंग क्वाइट लेट. हाउ बट somehow we've made it. We didn't think we would make it but we did with our print out. So tickets check करो पहले कि इस पे प्रिंट आउट लिखा है या नहीं लिखा है. Come to find out you don't even need the printouts. Everyone's showing it in their phone. हम पॉम्पी पहुंच गए हैं एंड आई डोंट नो ये लोग को इशू क्या है विथ वेजिटेरियन फूड. वेजिटेरियन फूड इज मोर एक्सपेंसिव देन नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड.
डिमांड ना.
मैंने ये कप ऑफ फ्रूट्स लिया है फॉर लाइक €5, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 450-500 रुपीज.
मेरा चॉकलेट क्रोज़ो €2.
By the way, हम यहाँ पे आए हैं for the tour of Pompeii. We'll talk about more about like the history of Pompeii and all of that later on. But again, we've booked this also through Get Your Guide. This is not sponsored by Get Your Guide. हमने सब खुद से बुक किया है वहाँ पे. So far हमारा एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है. And our tour has begun. टिकट मत दे मुझे, रेडियो दे. रेडियो है जो भी बोलते हैं पीस. We've made it to a restaurant for all the calories that we've burnt to gain them back. Please have your first bite. How is it? Actually, Naples का पिज्जा बहुत famous है. Good? सही में? And my dish is here as well. Oh my god, it looks so good. I've had already a lot of pasta. Yesterday night also I had pasta. But guys, मैं यही करना है यहाँ पे. मैं जितना पास्ता खा सकती हूँ उतना पास्ता मैं खाऊंगी यहाँ पे. अब हम जा रहे हैं वापस हमारे एयरबीएनबी में. कुछ खा लेंगे, कुछ पी लेंगे, थोड़ा फ्रेश होंगे. हम बहुत दोनों लाइक स्लीपी है. हम दोनों सो गए थे ट्रेन में. ऑल्सो हाईली रिकमेंड टू डाउनलोड गूगल ट्रांसलेट. नॉट एवरीवन बट थोड़े लोगों को नहीं आता है इंग्लिश. तो आई फील लाइक गूगल ट्रांसलेट इज अमेजिंग बिकॉज राइट नाउ ऑल्सो टू ट्रांसलेट हम बात कर रहे थे, फिर वो बात कर रहे थे, एंड प्रॉपर वर्ड टू वर्ड आपको एग्जैक्टली समझ में आ जाएगा व्हाट दे आर ट्राइंग टू कम्युनिकेट. एंड आपको भी जो भी कम्युनिकेट करना है वो एकदम ईजिली हो जाएगा. सो हाईली रिकमेंडेड. ऑल्सो डोंट यू थिंक हमने जितना भी पैसा बचाया था कैब्स में वो हमने आज और कल में डाल दिया कैब्स में. हमने थोड़ा सा ओथ लिया था कि हम कैब्स नहीं लेंगे बट हम लेजी हो गए अभी और थक गए और नींद आ रहा है.
वरना तो उस दिन 27 मिनट्स में हमने वॉकिंग का ये लिया और आज 20 मिनट में नहीं हो रहा था. धूप बहुत तेज है.
That's what we're telling ourselves. I was kidding when I said that we're gonna nap. Napping के लिए टाइम नहीं था. We've changed and we're in and out to where I don't know, but we'll find out. So it turns out we've come to this very beautiful park that's overlooking the, what is that, ocean?
The Bay of Naples.
Okay, the Bay of Naples. It's very, very pretty. I'll show you the view. We've just grabbed some snacks and a drink and we're gonna sit and chill and watch the sunset. So that happened last night. More about that in a separate video. Not gonna talk more about it in today's video because we can keep going on and on. Do you wanna come and say hi?
What's up, guys?
How do you feel now? Chill, relaxed.
Very relaxed.
Now you can enjoy the trip. Tell them where we're going today.
We're going to Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello today with a group tour.
It's going to be very exciting. We're very late. Let's get going. Okay, so that right there is our tour bus. And guess where we are? We've made it to Sorrento. It's so pretty. So I've switched into my summer look. Jacket सब मैंने shed कर दिया है. And now we are in
Positano.
And it's so cool. It's such a pretty, cute little city. It's so cute. Let me show you around. Let me add like a cute montage. So this place is incredibly touristy. Like मेरे सामने अगर मैं flip करूँगी camera, you'll be able to see there are so many people. But I think it's worth it. It's very pretty. Now we are going to Amalfi via a boat. I'm very excited for Amalfi. If I'm being honest, most excited for it. This is what I was talking to you guys about. बहुत भीड़ है. Onto the boat. Ciao. Also, I got a lemon sorbet. Let's see what the hype is about. Wow. So refreshing. It's good. Please tell everyone, what did we just do?
So we just had limoncello shots, जो एक्चुअल में digestive होता है. After food you need to have it. but हमने पहले ले लिया क्योंकि हम अलग है.
But यहाँ का बहुत famous है, तो we had to try it and we also picked up some miniatures. Yes. और अब हम जल्दी से लंच करेंगे. यहाँ का सारा famous dish हम try करने वाले हैं and then we'll go and take a dip in the ocean.
This right here is the St. Andrew's Cathedral. So apparently they say that any couple who's not married and who walks up the steps of this cathedral holding hands together, they will not get married ever. So we're not going to test that. We anyway are not going that way. But
yeah.
Why to test it?
But it's a very beautiful cathedral for sure. और अमाल्फी का बहुत famous भी है.
But हम ये direction में जा रहे हैं.
और हम ये direction में जाके पानी भरने वाले बहुत ही cool fountain में. ये fountain की बात कर रहे थे हम.
पानी में आ चुका हूँ बट सिर्फ इतना ही क्योंकि हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि मैं स्विमिंग कॉस्ट्यूम में चेंज करके फिर वापस से जाओ चेंज करने. तो मैं तो बस ऐसे पैर डुबाने आ गया. मैडी तो उधर बैठी है पीछे फ्रेंड्स की और रेडी है, वो नहीं आ रही है.
आई थिंक दिस हैज़ टू बी द ओनली कॉन अबाउट कमिंग इन लाइक अ टूर and not by yourself is that they have very like fixed timings. Abhi we are sitting on the beach right now and we have barely like 10 minutes left. It's unfortunate because यहाँ पे अमाल्फी तक आके I really wanted to go in there, take a dip, but we have barely any time left. खाना खाने में काफ़ी time use up हो गया. We had only 1 hour here in Amalfi, which is too less. But coming to Amalfi on your own is very expensive. So a tour made sense for us because it's cheaper. But yeah, that's definitely something that you should keep in mind. And that's it for Amalfi. How was the water?
Very nice but very cold.
I'm so sad I couldn't go. We'll have to come back. It's very charming and very less crowded. Not a lot of tourists. बहुत ही खाली है compared to Amalfi. तो it's day and night. So I would recommend if you're already here, then it makes sense to just come. But there's nothing to do here as such. It's just
1 hour, like बस ठीक 1 घंटा
max 1 hour. You just look around and that's it. Okay, so we are back at our Airbnb. It has been a long day, but a really, really nice one. I'm so glad that we went. We almost didn't. I think I mentioned that in the morning. I was not feeling very well. And I almost didn't go, but I'm so glad we pushed ourselves and we went and we saw the beautiful Amalfi, Pasatino, Ravello, all of that. Very, very pretty. अब हम कुछ खाएंगे, पिएंगे, chill करेंगे. We have the evening to ourselves. We've decided not to go out because today is our last day here in Naples. I forgot where we are for a second. But yeah, it's our last evening here and we're really tired, to be very honest. And the next 2 days are going to be in Rome, and those 2 are going to be kind of hectic क्योंकि काफी कुछ है करने के लिए रोम में. So हम यहीं पे chill करेंगे. I actually do want to say one thing. I will say that this Airbnb is very pretty and everything. You guys already saw that, but the kind of attention to detail that this host has put into this property, right from keeping croissant and Nutella for breakfast to actually having an entire spread for like dinner. Like we can actually cook pura ek dinner. There's so much of coffee. I don't think you noticed this, but there's a box full of board games as well.
Yeah, I saw.
And then here in the living room also, they've kept so many books regarding Italy and brochures and things to do. There's chocolate. I mean, it's amazing. David has done a fab job. He's our host. And this is an Airbnb plus property. Obviously, sari details description box पे छोड़ दूंगी. Let's go make some dinner. And Aditya right here is making some atta noodles for me. Aditya बहुत अच्छी मैगी बनाता है. So he's just making that for me. You don't want to have anything right now, no?
No, not.
I'm having a very, very early dinner right now. It's some 6:30 right now. 6:37.
Yeah, 6:40.
But I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna eat something quickly. And now we're watching Tangled. We have woken up in Rome. I wish it was that simple, but we took a train this morning from Naples to Rome. It was so chaotic in the morning because we had to pick up all of our luggage physically down 4 flights of stairs, walk to the station. हमें taxi भी नहीं मिली. So it was a lot. Then finding the station and all of that was a little bit chaotic. तो मैंने vlog नहीं किया. But we are here in our Airbnb plus. This is going to be our last stop. We've reached the last leg of our trip. Rome is our final destination. I'm gonna quickly give you guys our Airbnb tour. Okay, so as you enter, this is what you see. The panoramic view of the living room and an open kitchen, which I love. Okay, so here we have a passageway which leads to the washroom and the bedroom. But here there is a lot of storage. And this is the little bedroom. It's so cozy and cute. And this has to be the best part. It's the washroom. Such a unique and pretty washroom. Let's take a moment and appreciate this sink right here. And this shower area as well. And we are off. We're actually not off. We just came back to change my boots. मैंने बहुत enthusiasm से boots लिए थे यहाँ पे पहनने के लिए. But I walked like a block and we had to come back. By the way, that's the entrance to our Airbnb. This is so much better. Let's go grab some lunch. Very, very late lunch. Aditya just had some pesto. Sorry, हम बहुत भूखे थे. हमने कुछ खाना नहीं दिखाया. But
और हमें 2 बार Airbnb वापस करना पड़ा ना, आना जाना boots की वजह से.
Whatever. But हम अभी हमारा post live कर रहे हैं. And both of us are so nervous. Nervous but like excited, right? Mixed feelings. We've kept this to ourselves for so long that now it just feels weird, right?
It does.
Anyway, we are off to
a photo shoot.
No.
But not just any normal photo shoot.
Yeah.
It's a photo shoot with a vintage Fiat 500.
Plus there's a tour. It's not just a photo shoot. It's like a tour around Rome with a really cute car, a vintage car. He found this again on Get Your Guide.
No.
No?
Airbnb experience.
Oh, Airbnb experience. Sorry, ये दो जगह हम we keep checking, and it's such a cute tour. Also, just look at the beauty around. So pretty. तुला नहीं बोलते, हिला बोलते. Also, we were just casually walking, okay, on the road, and this is what we come across. So pretty. Our ride for the evening is here. It's so cute. So, हमारा सिटी टूर का सिटी टूर, फोटोशूट का फोटोशूट, प्री वेडिंग शूट का प्री वेडिंग शूट,
प्लस टूर गाइड भी,
प्लस टूर गाइड सब हो गया. And I think this was such a unique and cool experience. I think Mayur bhai was the one who found this. Thank you, big shout out to you. This was so much fun. The car is so cute. He's taken such good pictures, and also he was like a tour guide, right?
Yes.
Basically पूरा city उसमें घुमाया, उन्होंने घुमाया, and he gave us information. Very interesting guy. बहुत प्यार से photos खींचे, बहुत सारे photos खींचे. So
would recommend, definitely.
Would totally recommend.
Hi guys, so we are at the Oppio Cafe, which is opposite the Colosseum.
It's so cool.
Yeah, it's a very cool. Yeah, it's a very cool cafe. We just had some coffee. Yeah, very nice coffee. And we now ordered a pizza for takeaway. So that's what we've been up to. I finished my coffee. I think even you finished your coffee, right? Yeah.
We're gonna go back to the Airbnb, watch another Disney movie, hopefully, अगर यहाँ पे Hotstar चला तो, and call it a night. Tomorrow's our last day. It's gonna be, I think, a hectic one if we get all the bookings right. But yeah, we've got our pizza, and check out this beautiful view. We'll be coming here tomorrow. Good morning. It is our last day here in Rome and in Italy actually. We're leaving tomorrow. Right now we have a long list of things to do today. The first one being figuring out how to use this bike, this Lime bike. हमें बहुत, in fact, since the day we've come to Italy, we've wanted to ride one of these. So we're just trying to figure it out. There's an app which you can download, and it'll tell you around the area कौन से available, and it's just as simple as that. थोड़ा सा हमारा Lime का plan चौपट हो गया.
मजा आ रहा था भाई, बट
काफी मजा आया आदित्य को. सो बेसिकली पहली बात तो 2 जन को एक लाइम स्कूटर पे अलाउड नहीं है, ठीक है. तो भी हम लोग ने देखा बहुत लोग कर रहे थे, तो वी वर लाइक इफ इट्स जस्ट फॉर लाइक अ फ्यू मिनट्स वील ट्राई जस्ट फॉर फन. बट द लाइम स्कूटर इज टू स्मॉल. दूसरे भी है, बर्ड करके है, डॉट करके, दोज आर मच बिगर. एंड दूसरा क्या मुझे बोलना था, आई एम टू स्कैर्ड टू राइड इट ऑन बाय माई सेल्फ, सो टेकिंग 2 इज नॉट एन ऑप्शन. So we're just walking 20 minutes.
Yes.
We're going to the Trevi Fountain, by the way. Of course, if you come to Rome, you have to go to the Trevi Fountain.
Local Trevi Fountain.
हाँ. So definitely बहुत crowded है और बहुत touristy जगह है. But I feel like it's worth visiting because it is very beautiful. इसके लिए they recommend that you should come during sunrise. That was a little bit too much for me. मैं इतना सुबह उठ के नहीं आने वाली थी for the Trevi Fountain. I got my pictures. You have to wait for a little bit, find a spot, wait in line, and then take a picture. We are here, but look at the rush. It's so crowded.
Hi guys, so one thing I've noticed is that for Maddie, the definition of coming to Italy is very different than my definition. For
it
her,
is, I agree.
Yeah, for her it's all about coming to cute cafes, cute places, aesthetic places.
And cute experiences also.
Cute experiences. But for me it's more about the history, because I've been reading about Roman history and Greek history since childhood, and to see these places in reality is a different feeling altogether. But she's not that interested in all of that.
No, of course. I'm happy to join and tag along,
but that's not your main motive of coming.
Yeah, no, but I will also add that it's very interesting. Like I would still go to a Colosseum because it's like a very touristy spot.
It's a wonder of the world.
Yeah, it's one of the wonders of the world. But other places I wouldn't necessarily go.
Like the art galleries.
Yeah, but I feel like once I've gone there, I enjoy it. I get to know and learn something more. So I'm glad to tag along. But obviously for Aditya, it's like a
dream come true.
Dream come true,
Yes.
yeah. So right now, tell them where we're going.
Right now we are headed to the Colosseum to see it from the inside.
From the inside, yeah. And we've booked like a 3-thing tour. There's a Colosseum.
There's a Roman Forum and the Palatine Hill. And then after that we have another tour of the Pantheon.
So हमारा खाना आ गया है. One last time, we're gonna have some pasta, Aperol spritz. Aditya has ordered a limoncello spritz, pesto pasta. Let's go. So we're back to our Airbnb. यहीं पे है हमारा Airbnb. But आदित्य का पेट नहीं भरा है और उसे लाइम चलानी है. Just on this street, just for time pass. So he's looking if there are any lime e-bikes available anywhere. And he's just gonna chill and just ride it on the street. So we took a taxi to our Airbnb, okay? We reached our Airbnb, but now we have to walk 6 more minutes to find a lime bike just to ride it. Just for shits and giggles. Finally, किसी को मिल गई है lime bike. And he's been doing this for a while, guys. काफी टाइम से ये चल रहा है. Finally, back to our Airbnb. Let's quickly do our favorites and end today's very long vlog. I have a feeling it's going to be a long vlog. Do you want to go first or should I go first?
I think you should go first.
Okay. So I think overall Italy has been so memorable. Just this entire trip, in fact, even Switzerland, Italy for more reasons than one, obviously. It was very special for the both of us. But other than stating the obvious, मेरे लिए favorite part of the trip would be the day when we went to Amalfi Coast. I think that was very beautiful. Yeah. All the 3 places that we went to were so charming in their own ways. I know मैंने already बोला है, but हम literally नहीं जाने वाले थे वो दिन because we got a little too lazy. But I'm so glad we ended up going. What about you?
So I think there can be different aspects to this trip. First is the art and history aspect of it.
Yeah.
So that is definitely my favorite. Like visiting all of these historical places, seeing the paintings and all of that. That is definitely number 1 for me. Secondly, all the pizza and the pasta that we had.
The bread.
So
with the olive oil.
Basically the food.
Yeah.
Food has been great.
Yeah.
And apart from
also, by the way, Aditya used to hate pasta.
Yeah. I did not like pasta for
like 6 months ago, like 1 year ago. But I'm so glad that you like it and you were able to
I got used to
savor
pasta because of her vodka pasta recipe.
Yeah, I used to make it a lot at home. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching our vlog. This was our first time coming to Europe together and we loved it.
Yes, we did.
And we hope to plan more trips together, but it'll take some time and a lot of saving that's gonna happen.
Too many kharche ahead.
Yeah, that of course. But hope to come to Europe really soon. Hopefully next year. Here's hoping. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. All the details, everything. I'm gonna try to concise it and add it in the description box below. And with that, like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.
We will come back because we threw a coin in the Trevi fountain.
That is true.